Hello everyone. The too many attempts messages in Telegram can appear in two situations. The first is when you have tried too many times to log into an account or create a new one. This could happen if you have entered the wrong password multiple times or requested a verification code too many times. To protect your account security and privacy, Telegram set this limit and show you the too many attempts message. The second situation happens when you send too many messages to different users in a short time or upload a lot of image, videos or files in a short time. Telegram, for prevent overloading its servers, will show you the too many attempts message. Usually, Telegram show the remaining time for the limit to be lifted below the message. However, if it doesn't, the restriction typically lasts between 1 hour to several hours before the messages goes away. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.